we are on our way to the fall.
Hi my people, it's your village boy here, Mankush, ready to take you through the biggest fall in our home area and hoping you'll be happy. Kindly, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video you'll not miss it. Walk with me and write there in the comment section how you have seen our home village area. Let's walk together. My people, let me explain to you about all this. This one,
It is the machine that pumps water from the river to our home village. It circulates water to hundreds of citizens in our home village. It uses no electricity or any type of energy, but it uses force of the water to pump water from here to many kilometers around the village. And I want to explain to you how it operates. Step 1, it collects water from here. This is the river. It collects water from here to this tank. From this tank it directs water to this tank. Now you can see when this tank is full, remember it is on the top of the fall. We are on our way to the fall, don't forget that. So when that water is full, it comes to this tank with a lot of pressure because it is on the top of the fall. Then this tank is down there almost to the fall. Hoping you are understanding. Excess water from this fall is this one. There is excess water, it's being directed this way. So this excess water, this one from the first tank, is with a lot of pressure. Then this water is directed direct now to the pump. Now you can see and you can understand. This is the top of the fall. We don't have much water since it is a dry season. This is the top of the fall. Now here is the down of the fall. You can see and hoping you understanding. It is a dry season, so our fall doesn't have much water, so it's somehow dry. It starts from that stone. You can see a certain stone here, this stone here. It starts here to this area. It's a very big start here. You can see my finger directing to that stone. It's that all big, but it's on a dry season. So you can imagine when it is a rain season. I'm now on my way back at home, taking you to another cave in the next video, so don't forget to hit the notification bell. Goodbye.